Hey now, how you doing, Kings? It's been a little bit since I did a video. I figured that I'd do a video real quick and give you some numbers on the shred session that I had, processing out some of the tobacco that I purchased whole leaf, shredded it out, stemmed it out. It turned out pretty good. I decided to make a blend out of the leaf that I already have. I have more coming. I wanted to do a cigarette blend. I don't know how many of you guys out there smoke cigarettes or not, Kings, but I mean, I do. So I made a blend. The blend was a cigarette blend, and I made a 1 pound mix out of it, 16 ounces. So I took half and half of the Virginia flue cured, both American and Canadian. I did 11 ounces of that. The Burley, I did 4 ounces of that. The dark fired Kentucky I had on hand from Cornell and Deal, I did a half ounce of that. And the Big and Burley, I did a half ounce of that. That equaled out to a 1 pound mix. So, according to I got notes written down here, on average, this is average for me anyway, 1 ounce of that particular cigarette blend yields me 22 cigarettes, which is a pack, okay? On average, it's much more than 12 a pack, but let's just say it's $12 a pack for Marlboro Reds. And these are very comparable to that. So when I made that mix, it produced a pound. So if an ounce produces a pack of cigarettes plus 2 extras, so it makes 22 cigarettes, an ounce does, it rolls. And you do that by the whole pound for that type of application for cigarettes. Let me put my glasses on here. Yeah, that is some substantial savings for sure. It took around 6 minutes per pack to do with the Powermatic cigarette rolling machine. That thing's high speed, low drag. It's actually really nice. Yeah, it took 6 minutes to do a pack of cigarettes, 20 cigarettes each pack, plus 2 extras. I don't know why 1 ounce comes out to 22 cigarettes. It just did. Let's see. So when you roll a pound, that makes a total of one and a half cartons. So at my cost, it's including the cost of the Powermatic machine. The Powermatic machine was $239.22. So the first 2 to 3 cartons that I rolled paid for itself. That equated for me, the numbers is $7.90 a pack versus 12 and change a pack. The carton of Marlboro Reds here go well and above $120. So I say it's $120, loosely speaking, even though it's more than that. That is a substantial savings of from what I rolled, $123. That's substantial. I mean, you're going from $12 and change a pack to $7 and change for a pack is fantastic. So those are my numbers, so to speak. 1 ounce will yield of that tobacco blend for cigarettes. That a pound of that, stemmed and shredded, will yield you 1.5 cartons of cigarettes. So if there's 10 packs in a carton, you figure it'll give you 15 to 17 packs of cigarettes on average. That's fantastic. I'll be working on making a couple more cigarette blends when I get the other tobacco coming in. That'll have all the good stuff in there, the Nico Rustica, the Latakia, St. James Perique, all that stuff. That's coming. We still have 16 days left until the plugs come out of the straight Burley, straight Virginias, and I believe Bo's blend is 17 days from now when I pull that plug out and see how that turned out. But just wanted to do a quick video. Time to get my ass back to work. I'll talk to you again, King, soon. I just wanted to share that information with you and maybe find it useful for somebody. Again, that particular cigarette blend that I'm smoking now and that I rolled 3 cartons of and I enjoy is just a blend I came up with. Virginia, American and Canadian. Virginia flue cured is 11 ounces. Burley is 4 ounces. Dark fired Kentucky is 1/2 ounce. Big and Burley is 1/2 ounce. That equals a 1 pound mix. You don't even necessarily have to have the Cornell and Deal dark fired Kentucky or the Big Burley. I got some dark fired coming, dark fired leaf to process myself, which is I'm really looking forward to. But I mean, you could basically mix 50-50 Virginia and 50-50 Burley for a cigarette blend, or there's a lot of different variances that you can use for your cigarette blends. But that's what I make, that's what I enjoy. It's the closest I can get to Marlboro Reds thus far. So maybe I'll try a Turkish blend to see if I can get close to Camel. My grandfather smoked Camel for a long time. And before that, he went to Lucky Strike. So I just wanted to share that with you. Have a good one, Kings. We'll talk again soon.